Unfortunately, that screw is, like my darling Clementine, lost and gone forever. How y'all doing? I'm Big Al, and welcome to the garage. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Today we are back with my 1965 Chevy Corvair because it's time to upgrade the headlights. The current headlights on it are just worse than useless. Can't see 2 feet in front of you. So we're going to do something about that. I have these Sylvania Extra Vision headlights. Now, I had tried to go for Sylvania's Silver Star headlights, but despite Amazon saying they fit my car, well, the ones they sent me didn't. They don't make them in the 5 3/4 inch size. So I had to send them back to Amazon. That was quite frustrating. Now, I suppose you're wondering why I don't go LED. Well, 2 reasons. One, cost. Looking at about $100 easy to do that, and these were, what, $18 each? I'm only doing the low beams. And also, I just want to be able to see where I'm going. I don't need to blind all the oncoming traffic on the road. And these look period correct also. Now, yes, you can get Holley's Retro Bright period correct looking LEDs, but they want $200 a bulb for them. I don't think so. Anyway, changing out the headlights is a relatively simple procedure. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get to it. Okay, so these are the Sylvania Extra Vision H5006. They're available at Advance and O'Reilly's. Now, first thing we've got to do is take the headlight bezel off. You have a screw here, and you're supposed to have one here, but it's missing. These are Phillips. Pop these out real quick. Headlight bezel comes out. And not really sure you can see it all that well. I think I have to reposition the camera. You have this metal ring, retains the bulb. You have a Phillips head and a flat blade. The Phillips head is the adjuster screw. There's one here and one here. The slotted, or flat blade, whatever you call it, is the one that's actually holding this in place. And then there's a spring on this side. So we're going to loosen these up. Let me see if I can bring you in for a better angle. Okay, I suppose this is somewhat better. I'm only replacing the low beams. They're the ones you drive with 99% of the time. There's so much oncoming traffic these days you can never really use your high beams. Okay. Get this guy out. Yeah, that's free. And up in here. Hard to see what I'm doing. There we go, got it. Now these say Sylvania Halogen, the new ones just say Sylvania. Maybe that means something, maybe it doesn't. Ah, no, you're trying to jump to safety on me. Can't have that. Okay. Not lose that screw either. Take that off. Ring kind of just pops off like that. These bulbs are keyed, they kind of fit in a certain way. Got a plug on the back here that's got to come off. It can be on there like Excalibur. You want to be careful you don't yank any of the wires either. This is the part where I say, warning, I'm an idiot, don't do what I do. Lever it off with a flat blade. Take that, put it here. Get the bulb out of the box. And we just do this in reverse. That this one will fit. I don't want to have to deal with this yet again. Good. This one ought to work. You got this little plastic thing on the prongs that just slides right off. Pop this new guy in. Should just be a simple matter of lather, rinse, repeat on the other side. Come on. Alrighty. Really needs to be on there more securely than that. Yeah, that's why the darn things are so dim. From the back. Wow! Well, that was not easy. But it's in. This has a nub the other one doesn't have. There's two nubs also. Why the heck isn't it going in? Yeah, I think that's how it's supposed to sit. It's just this retainer ring is being annoying. The spring is not letting it. Never fails when you try to do it on camera. It always gives you a harder time than if you just left it alone and took the camera off. But then I wouldn't have the content. There we go. All right. I'm gonna get the easy screw first. Stupid spring wasn't on there. It would be so much easier. Just gonna get it started, but I'm not gonna seat it yet. And then we'll do a little comparison when we get them both put in. Whoops. At least I found it. Oh, Lord, the hole is misaligned. Biting in. Oh, I did not want to hear that. Where did that land? Alright, unfortunately, that screw is, like my darling Clementine, lost and gone forever. So, let's get the headlight bezel put back on. The screws that are lost, there it is. I mean, this isn't going anywhere. I think we'll be okay. It's a 60-year-old car. Nothing on it fits the way it's supposed to anymore. Once we get both sides done, I'll turn the lights off in here and we'll do a little comparison. I already shot a before video. Hopefully it's a decent improvement. Alrighty. Gonna be pretty much just lather, rinse, repeat on the other side, so I will skip filming that for y'all and just cut to the part where I get it done. Okay, so here we are with the current headlights. Kind of dim. We still have a pile of boxes and a pool float, obviously. Now, let's get to putting in the new ones. Okay, lights are out in the shop. Let's see how it compares. Does not seem like that much of an improvement. Maybe they're a little brighter. Let's take a look at the front of the car. Well, maybe they are a little bit brighter. The only thing to know for sure is to drive it at this point, but I don't drive this car at night all that much. Anyway, that is it for tonight. So please like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next installment.